Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project lists two-level QR code for private message sharing and document authentication. Abstract. The quick response code was designed for storage information and high-speed reading applications. In this paper, we present a new rich QR code that has two storage levels and can be used for document authentication. This rich QR code named two-level QR code has public and private storage levels. The public level is the same as the standard QR code storage level. Therefore, it is readable by any classical QR code applications. The private level is considered by replacing the black modules by specific textured patterns. It consists of information encoded using QR code with an error correction capacity. This allows us not only to increase the storage capacity of the QR code, but also to distinguish the original document from a copy. This authentication is due to the sensitivity of the user to the print and scan process. The pattern recognition method that we use to read the second level information can be used both in the private message sharing and in an authentication scenario. It is based on maximizing the correlation values between P and S degraded patterns and references patterns. The storage capacity can be significantly improved by increasing the code alphabet Q or by increasing the textured pattern size. The experimental results show a perfect restoration of private information. It also highlights the possibility of using the new rich QR code for document authentication. Let us see the flow of our project. In our project, we have to implement the first home page. Home page contains login and registration phase. In login phase, we have to log in into the next process. In next process, it will show importing the secret message, which we will get it from external directory. So when we click on that importing secret message means it will display our secret message which we already stored in that external directory. So now there are two buttons is there, and a QR code generation and one is for a QR code reader. When we click on this QR code generation means it will call the library file from our project and it will show our QR code ID and secret key. So for authentication process, or we have to read our QR code means we must know about ID and secret key. So for authentication process, we give the key and ID. If the key match means it will shows our secret message, else it will shows the authentication failure error. Let us see the output of our project. First, open our emulator window which contains our APK file. So this window is called emulator window. So this is our home page which contains login and registration buttons. If you are new for this secret code app means first register here. So click on this register button. It will annotate username, password and confirm password. So give that details xxx and the password is xxxx. So give the confirm password again. So then click on register. It will shows our ID. So registration is successful and now we are eligible for login. So click on this username and type username and password details for login. So our username is xxx and password is xxxx. So click on this login means it will go to the next form. So now login will successfully. So next file is upload or view file. When we click on this upload or view file button means it will display our text file which are we already written in external directory. So click on this. So we written QR code is a machine readable code consists of an array of black and white squares. So this information are displayed here, and when we click on this generate button means, so this is our generate icon. This will generate our QR code as well as secret code and the random number of keys and IDs. So it will takes a few seconds for arranging our QR code for this secret information. So wait for generating our QR code. So now our QR code is generated successfully, and also our secret code key and ID is generated. So our secret key is 1767 and ID is 8. Then when we click on this scan button means it will shows our scan details and it will get the information. So our ID is 8 and the secret key is 1767. So when we click on the scan result means it will goes to the scanner reader, QR code reader. So our emulator does not contain this QR code reader. When we run this in Android phone means it will works. Thank you for watching.